Does your device need repair? We offer a no-obligation diagnosis. We collect and deliver to your home. No calls and no traveling. We'll send you the quote before we repair, and we only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to our detailed maintenance guide for the HP ProBook 4550 G10. In this video, we will walk you through the essential steps to keep your laptop in top condition. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a can of compressed air, and a soft cloth. These tools will help you access the internal components safely and effectively. Begin by powering down your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. It's crucial to ensure that there is no residual power. Next, remove the battery by sliding the release latch and lifting it out. This step is vital for your safety while performing maintenance. Now let's remove the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the screws securing the panel. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pry the panel off using a flathead screwdriver. Be careful not to damage any clips or connectors. With the back panel removed, you can now access the internal components. Start by inspecting the cooling fan and heatsink. Dust accumulation can lead to overheating, so it's essential to clean these areas. Use the can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fan and heatsink. Make sure to hold the fan in place while doing this to prevent it from spinning. Next, check the RAM and hard drive. If you're experiencing performance issues, reseating these components can sometimes help. To do this, gently release the clips holding the RAM in place and lift it out. Reinsert it firmly to ensure a good connection. For the hard drive, locate the screws securing it, remove them, and carefully slide the drive out. If you're upgrading, now is the time to install the new drive. After you've completed these checks, it's time to clean the interior. Use a soft cloth to wipe down any surfaces, being careful around sensitive components. This will help maintain a clean environment for your laptop to operate efficiently. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help you identify any issues without any pressure to commit to repairs. Once you've finished cleaning and reseating components, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Place the back panel back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Reinsert the battery, ensuring it clicks into place. Finally, power on your laptop and check that everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out. We also provide collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your laptop serviced without the hassle of travel. Before any repair, we always provide a quote, so you know exactly what to expect. This way, you can make an informed decision about your laptop's maintenance. By following these steps, you can ensure that your HP ProBook 4550 G10 remains in excellent condition for years to come. Regular maintenance not only enhances performance but also extends the lifespan of your device. Thank you for watching and happy maintaining. Does your device need repair? We offer a no-obligation diagnosis. We collect and deliver to your home. No calls and no traveling. We'll send you the quote before we repair, and we only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.